Hi friends, welcome to Easy English India. Love English to learn English. In this video, you will learn the use of I will have to with verb 1. So, let us see some sentences. I will have to go to market today. मुझे आज market या बाजार जाना पड़ेगा. I will have to work all day. मुझे पूरे दिन काम करना पड़ेगा. I will have to skip breakfast today. आज मुझे नाश्ता छोड़ना पड़ेगा. I will have to meet the boss today. आज मुझे बॉस से मिलना पड़ेगा. I will have to buy a new phone. मुझे एक नया फ़ोन खरीदना पड़ेगा. I will have to prepare for English test. मुझे अंग्रेजी टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी. I will have to learn English. मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखनी पड़ेगी. I will have to wait for my turn. मुझे अपनी पारी के लिए इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. I will have to pay my fees tomorrow. मुझे कल अपना फीस भरना पड़ेगा. I will have to follow his instructions. मुझे उसके निर्देशों का पालन करना पड़ेगा. Hope it is easy for you. However, in order to be perfect in this frame, you need to create at least 5 similar sentences using this frame and use them in your daily conversations. So, hoping for your best, we will meet again with a new frame next time. Till then, goodbye.